Well, hello there, welcome back to another video, and it's obviously a brand new video, a brand new series. As per I promised that after reaching 500 subscriber or crossing 500 subscriber, I will be bringing you a P3 vulnerability series. Previously, I handed you a P4 vulnerability series, and now, as per I promised, this gonna be the P3 vulnerability series. And if you are new to this channel, you have not been a part of that P4 vulnerability category, then you can just subscribe and check down the description. I have already added the series link, you can check over there, and make sure to do subscribe so that you will not miss this series. And yeah guys, thank you so much, that we have crossed for supporting us, and we have crossed 500 subscriber. Next target is obviously 1k, so that I will be bringing you P2 and P1 category of series or video. Okay, so now the thing is, this gonna be the first video of P3 vulnerability series. And what we are going to do, what we are going to see in this video, the means it's a first video and it's a basic vulnerability, very easy vulnerability, but this is considered as a P3 vulnerability because you get the admin access or the administrative access of any of the site or website or server by using some easy methods, like very simple easy methods. Okay, so this is known to be as the unprotected admin functionality. Okay, so yeah, what actually happen over here is we are able to get any type of admin access, admin privilege, or administrative access by using some basic methods. By using some basic method, what do you mean by some basic method? Either just by visiting a site, okay, like modifying the URL and visiting a page, and we are able to get the access, or by using the default credentials. Okay, default credentials. What does it means? By using the default ID password, that means admin, root, password, something around admin password, administrator, anonymous. Okay, by using the default credentials. Okay, so this is the thing. So now what we are going to do, we are basically going to check or see how practically we are able to find this vulnerability or do the exploitation over any type of server, website, or database. Okay, so let's move to the practical. And yeah, if you are new, make sure to subscribe so that you will not miss any of the P3 vulnerability series video. And I'm going to upload, previously for P4 it was 12 videos, and for this one I will be going to upload around 15 videos. Okay, so next target is 1k. If we are crossing 1k, then I am going to bring you a P1 and P2 series. Okay, for sure. And let's get started with the practical. Just a minute. And yep, so yeah, I am here in the site of Web Security Academy, Portugal Academy basically. And here we, as you can see over here, unprotected admin functionality. Okay, so here we do have a vulnerability regarding unprotected admin. That means we are directly able to get the admin access just by using some basic methods. And what I said to you before, by URL, just changing the URL, that is URL manipulations, or just by using the default credentials. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, firstly let's see if we do have access. Like for example, let me see if I'm able to get the access by using this. No. Okay, administrator, then it's gonna be, I don't think it will work. Okay, let me try anonymous. Sorry, and the thing that you're wanting to be. Okay, this is not working. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we can directly visit the robot.txt file. You must have heard about the robot.txt file. Okay, So how we can visit this file or the website, basically by typing here robots.txt. Okay, so here we are able to see some URLs or the pages, web pages that are not allowed it, like disallowed it. That means you cannot crawl, like any of the tool or any of the AI is not able to fetch those, like directly not able to fetch those pages. Okay, so for that we do have this one robot.txt that disallow all the robots. That means all the bots that are going to fetch, like pull the detail automatically. So yeah, as you can see, we do have a disallowed function for admin panel access. Okay, so let me just copy this one and I will just remove this robots.txt, and in place of this one I will place this. I'll press enter, and yeah, as you can see, we are able to get direct access of administrator without doing the login. Okay, we are able to get access directly, like we are able to delete the user without logging in. And this is a open, like the admin panel or the admin source is open, just by URL we are getting the access. So this is a vulnerability. Okay, and let me delete Carlos, and as you can see, the lab is solved. Okay, so this is the easiest method to find this vulnerability. Like this is one method. Another one method is okay, let me show you. There are different method. I do have listed some of this as like from the HackerOne report, so that you can read it out. You do have a basic knowledge that how this vulnerability work. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, as you can see, there is a default credential on this website. Okay, and here the researcher who have done this, they have already mentioned that username and password is admin, and they are able to get the access. Okay, login png, try to admit. Okay, so they are able to get the access over here. You are able to, like, I'm going to add the link of this report, and you are able to read it out so that you will get a proper knowledge. And not only in domain source, not only in just URL source, but we do have the default credential functionality, like default credential vulnerability for IP, IP addresses. As you can see, there is a default credential for the IP address, and here it is, the detail is given over here. Password and username is admin, and all the things are given over here. You can read it out and get a proper knowledge that how this vulnerability work. Okay, I'm going to list out like 4 to 5 vulnerability based on this, and I will be giving all the links in the description. You can check it out, and those who have not been the part of P4 vulnerability series, they can check the description. The full course or full series is attached over there, so you can check the series, and yeah, blah blah blah, you can learn. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Very easy vulnerability this is. Okay, and yeah, that's it. If you do have anything to ask, you can just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, make sure to like, share, subscribe. More videos are coming up for this P3 series and for some other topic also. And also just mention the topic. If you want a specific video on specific topic, just mention it in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Subscribe. Take care.